Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can recreate Jinu from Kpop Demon Hunter in Dress to Impress. Okay, let's get into it guys. This is for the outfit and I'm going to show you how I made this one. Okay, to create this outfit guys, the step is very simple. You just need to put on 2 hairstyles and then 1 skirt and then this hat and also this earring. For this hairstyle, you can make it black like this, and for this one as well, make it black and put on this skirt, and then you're going to make it red and black like this, and then this hat, make it black, make all the selection black, and then this earring, you're going to do adjustment. You can position it like this and scale it 1. For the rotation, just leave it like that. Okay, and finally you will have this look, and don't forget to color your body with this light purple. Okay, and if you don't have custom makeup, you can choose any free makeup which is suitable for Jinu from Kpop Demon Hunter. Okay guys, and that's all the way to recreate Jinu from Kpop Demon Hunter in Dress to Impress with .vip. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching and bye!